In this video, we are going to talk about Brave, which is a browser that lets you earn from your own exploration of the web. So you can basically go into websites, look at advertisement, and get paid for looking at advertisement. It's a new system that has been developed in the previous years. So you can basically, well, if you want to know what is the currency, it's called Basic Attention Token. So it's works on blockchain, and so it's similar to NFT or non-fungible tokens, and also similar to cryptocurrency like Ethereum or Bitcoins. So you can basically get here and you can see everything by yourself in details. I don't want to make it too complex. Now this the website about the token, it's the basicattentiontoken.org. And you can also check this here, which is the state of the bet, which is this, let's call it currency that it's used on Brave to make you earn. So you can check all the more technical information here. So basically, you need to download and install Brave, which is a browser. So just look for Brave browser download. Okay. And once you download it, this is actually the browser itself that you're looking at. I'm just navigating through the Brave browser. So let me show you here from the home page. So if I open up a new page, this is how the home page looks like. And you can see here you have some statistics about how many ads you have blocked. Of course, you can block advertisement like other advertisement blockers, but then you will not get paid for watching advertisements. And also you can see here the bandwidth saved. So it will let you save some internet traffic and also the minutes. So it's talking about probably the speed of the opening up and closing the page and so on. So in the right part here, we have some wallets, some crypto wallets like Binance. And we already did a video guide about Binance. So if you want to look to it, you can just type Binance here. This is our YouTube channel. You can search for video guides about Binance, about NFT, about cryptocurrency, like also Coinbase if you want to do trading and buying and selling cryptocurrency. You can also find the links right here at the top. You can use these links also to get rewards, and also we will get rewarded, so you can support us this way. And also in the about page you will find other links to support us together with Coinbase, eToro, and what else? Binance. That's right there. Okay, so now how it works, let me go back here. From here you can basically activate or deactivate the ads and the rewards. This little triangle right here at the top, this represents the BAT currency. So if you click here, you can see here I have earned some rewards and I can claim these payments. I already did that for the June rewards, and well, it's not too much. It's pretty well. I don't use so much internet, and I often activate the ad blocker, but I think maybe you can earn really little bit of money with this. But what you can do then is you can invest them, and for example try to exchange this currency here with other currencies. This is like a little bit of trading game that you can do, or you can just earn some money and save it for the future. And well, this is the first actually the first browser that lets you earn some money from advertisement directly just by looking at advertisement. So it's a good idea, I guess. Well, you can activate or deactivate these rewards. Now you can get to the settings down here. You can also customize if you want this first page, and this is the edit preferences right here. Okay, now here is where you find everything. Basically you can customize all the browser. So I will go directly to what we are talking about, which is Brave rewards. All right, now you can see here I have my bot rewards. So I can, for example, add funds to my wallet, I can withdraw funds, and also I need to claim other funds here from previous months probably. Okay, and so if you scroll down a little bit, you will find ads, and these are tokens earned by viewing Brave ads. So the more ads you're gonna view and the more BAT you're gonna earn. So you can activate this one. This is the first step. If this is deactivated, you can turn it on. Okay, and let's scroll down, and this is the auto contribute. Now this is also important for well, if you want to like support your favorite websites, if you want to support a website that you like, well, any website actually, if you turn this on, it will automatically take the payments, will automatically get your bots here and use it to support other websites. So it's kind of a two-way mechanism. So you can both get rewarded, and then you can reward the website that you like the most. You can also send direct donation if you want. Okay, and then you can sign up if you want to receive also these donations. Now I will show you also that with a WordPress website. Okay, so then after that it's pretty easy. You have some crypto wallets here you can add, so you can create a crypto wallet. So you need to create a password basically, and well, this is pretty important because you need to sign, you need to take a copy of this password, so nobody can reset this if you forget it, so not even Brave. So this is really, really important that you keep a record of this password. Okay, then I'm creating the here, and this is a secret backup phrase. It's similar to what you do in MetaMask. So it's important also to keep this phrase memorized, or you can download it and keep it stored. Okay, now I will click here to reveal the secret words, and then again I will keep record of this. Okay, as you can see now we have activated the crypto wallet here just by reinserting the words of the phrase, and now we can well, read this carefully. Okay, and say all done. Now this is our crypto wallet, and you can see here I have a code that I can use to ask for payments, for example, and also I can send Ethereum, I can buy Ethereum. So I can use this, for example, with NFT as well. Like OpenSea is one website that use Ethereum to buy and sell NFT, and we already did another video guide about this, so you can check it. And also, if you want, you can also look for MetaMask, which is another crypto wallet to use with OpenSea. So just type here whatever you want to search, and you're gonna find it in our YouTube channel. Also, you can join us to support us if you want. Okay, now let's get back to the rewards here, because here we have, as you can see, another kind of wallet that we need to verify. So let's say, okay, log in. Okay, and now you can see that this is another wallet basically. So it's called Uphold, and we need to link these two together, so Brave and Uphold, because this is what they are using here. So by doing this authorization here, we will authorize Uphold to transfer the personal data, and allowing the application to view all your Uphold money cards and do transactions like add funds, transfer funds, and again, this is just another like crypto wallet. Okay, once you have the Uphold wallet, then you can start to add funds or withdraw funds. If I click here, it's telling me that I need to have at least 15 baht to create an Uphold account. So I just need to wait a little bit. Okay, now let's see how we can earn more money. So not just by the ads, but also by the contribute from other user if we are the creator of particular website. So in this case, I want to show you this one here. This is one of my websites, and it's about web design. So it has here pages about the design styles and design masters and so on. And you can see here I'm looking at an advertisement. So right now I'm just earning by looking at advertisement. Now just remember that you need to turn on advertisement, otherwise you cannot earn. Okay, so you can see here I've put my shield down for this site. I can also turn this on, and this will block advertisement. So you will not see advertisements here, but you cannot earn. So let's do the shield down, and now I should see some advertisement. Let's update the page. Okay, now be careful about that. And also you can say that well, these are other rewards. So again, from the viewing of advertisement, and this one here, it's telling me that this website in particular is not yet being verified. So I didn't send the to Brave browser the, let's say, permission to get donation automatically or directly. So I want to do this. And if you want to support us, for example, you can set here a monthly contribution, or you can just watch the website many times, and this will get us more contribution. Okay, so we will do this now. So I need, since this is a WordPress website, I need to install a particular plugin in my, well, these are other messages here that I need to read, but I will not read it right now. So if you use the WordPress, you need to use this plugin here. So you need to download and install this Brave Payments verification. And also you will need to sign up for the creators, Brave Rewards creators. So you need to get to this page here, and then you can see here that you can also like connect your YouTube channel or Twitch or other websites or publications. Okay, and you can read again. So Brave Reward works like earning tokens by just surfing the web, and also people can give you tips or automatically give tips to the website that they watch the most. Okay, so let's sign up. Oh, if you want to find this, just type publisher Brave sign up, so you can get directly into the page here. Okay, and now let's sign up here. So you need to insert your email, and so you see that they're gonna send you an email, and that's it. Now when you will confirm the link that you have received from in your email, you can get started. You can get started by adding websites or channels and follow the instructions to verify that you are the owner, and then connect the wallet service. So with Gemini or Uphold. Now we can add channels here or tipping banner also, but in this case let's go for the channel, and it's gonna be a website. So I need to write down my domain. So www.idesign.wiki and say, okay, allow Brave to serve ads on my website. Say continue. Okay, now I am in my WordPress website in the plugins page. So I'm going to look for the Brave Payments Verification plugin directly from here. So this is easier because I just need to click on install. Otherwise, I need to download it from the website, and I will find it in my download folder and I can install it from there, but I think this is simpler. So just get into your plugins page and install it right there and then click on activate. Then what you need to do is to copy and paste a verification code that will be sent to you into the plugin. Okay, now we need to go to the settings and go to the Brave Payments Verification. And that's it. You just need to copy and paste the verification code here. Now this is the procedure for WordPress, but it can change if you use YouTube or Twitch. It's gonna be similar. So I'm just gonna show you this one in this video. Okay, so you just copy and paste that verification code that you're gonna find when you click on add new channel, and there it is. So this is now verified. So you click on verify and it's verified, and you can allow Brave to serve ads on my websites, and or you cannot. You can switch this off as well, and you can continue to add other channels here. Okay, so this will be all about this video guide on Brave rewards and on the overall mechanism of the BAT, basic attention token. I hope you enjoyed. It's a pretty complex topic, so if you like to write some questions, or you can also write some suggestions, you can use the comments on the video. And again, please support us. You can support us by joining or by using these links for rewards on similar tools for cryptocurrency trading or other NFT or similar topics. And you can also support us with the store, and in our videos page you will find our latest videos in the playlist, some full English video courses right here at the top, and also at the bottom you will find English video guides. And this will be all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.